When your loved one has the flu, the last thing you may feel like doing is eating. It's certainly okay to eat a little less with the flu, as you likely have a reduced appetite. Still, you'll need to eat the right foods to provide you with energy and nutrients while you recover. Food is what gives your body the energy and nutrients it needs to function. Such effects are equally vital when you have the flu. Still, it's all about eating the right foods for your condition. Consider eating the following foods when you have the flu. Broth. Whether you prefer chicken, beef, or vegetable, broth is one of the best things you can eat when you have the flu. You can eat it as soon as symptoms begin until you have fully recovered. Broth helps prevent dehydration, and the warm elements can help soothe a sore throat and relieve congestion. Chicken soup. Chicken soup is traditionally thought of as a go-to food when you're feeling sick. Though scientific evidence is lacking to back up its healing properties, it can be easy to stomach when you're under the weather. Chicken soup still provides some benefits. The broth is a good source of fluids and electrolytes to prevent hydration. Chicken provides your body with protein and zinc. You'll also gain vitamin A from carrots, vitamin C from celery and onions, and antioxidants from herbs. Garlic. While you might think of garlic as a food flavoring agent, it's actually been used in alternative medicine for a variety of ailments for centuries. While data is limited, results from one study found the use of garlic supplements in adults with the flu enhanced immunity and reduced symptom severity. You don't necessarily have to take garlic supplements, though. Eating raw garlic may also be beneficial. Yogurt. Yogurt is a good source of probiotics. Probiotics are good bacteria that can help support the immune system. Research in mice found that probiotics may help shorten the duration of the flu. Just be sure to choose whole yogurts without any added sugars for maximum nutritional benefit. Vitamin C, containing fruits and vegetables. Vitamin C is an important nutrient to help boost your immune system, which is especially important when you're sick. Your body absorbs nutrients like vitamin C more effectively from the foods you eat. Foods high in vitamin C include red or green pepper, oranges or orange juice, grapefruit juice, kiwi, broccoli, though you can also take a vitamin C supplement. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, and other leafy greens can also help boost your immune system when you have the flu. They are quality sources of immune-boosting nutrients such as vitamins A, C, E, and K. Consider adding leafy greens to a fruit smoothie or eat them raw with a drizzle of lemon and olive oil. Broccoli. Broccoli is a nutrient powerhouse that can benefit your body when you have the flu. Eating just one serving will provide immune-boosting vitamins C and E, along with calcium and fiber. Consider eating broccoli on its own or adding it to soup. Just remember to be mindful of sodium content. Oatmeal. When you're sick, a hot bowl of oatmeal can be a soothing, nutritious food choice. Oatmeal is a good source of several immune-boosting nutrients, including copper, iron, selenium, zinc, fiber, protein, spices. Adding certain spices to your diet, such as ginger and turmeric, can help ease symptoms. These spices contain anti-inflammatory properties that can help break up congestion. Consider adding them to tea or hot water with lemon. Hot peppers and horseradish can also help clear sinus passages and alleviate mucus buildup.
That's it for today. Check out the channel for more health and weight loss content. You can also purchase our weight loss course. And please, like and subscribe to be notified of our next tip. See you next time.